Good morning, everyone. YouTube land. I guess this will be a YouTube video. It's been below freezing for the past few days, steady, and definitely at night for sure. I don't think it's barely got over freezing at all. Last night got down to, I think it was 7 degrees. I saw. It's only, what was it? I think it was 12 or 13 degrees right now. Haven't started the Duramax in roughly a week. It's got some problems here. I'll show you what's going on with that here. So that's what I got going on there. My rear lower shock mount busted off. So anyways, we're gonna do a cold start here. I don't know which angle's best, from inside or let you get the exhaust. We'll probably let you get the exhaust, I suppose. I got something I can, let's see, I can lean the phone right up. Oh yeah. Put the phone right there. Hopefully I don't turn it black. So here we go. First start in about a week, cold start. No plug, not plugged in. It didn't hit 0, so I think I'll be okay, but we'll see. Ooh, that's crispy. Oh, she started right up, but she weren't too happy with me. No elevated idle yet. I'm surprised. We'll wait till elevated idle kicks on. Oh, here we go. I hear it starting to pump itself up. The old Turbski's going. Oh, we got new sneaks in the back. They were slicks before. There we go. Well, it's not smoking that bad. I'm in stock tune right now. I was gonna do it in the hot tune just to see if it smoked a lot, but yeah, whatever. I gotta do scrap metal with this frickin' thing today. Not smoking too bad, not smoking too bad. I'll let it, oh, now it's smoking more. There it goes. Let the cheech begin. Oh yeah, cheeching like a mofo. Man, I miss this truck. Every time I get it back, it fucking breaks again. Don't ever let anyone tell you, get a Chevy. Full of shit. Oh yeah. She looks like the truck's on fire. Oh man, it's smoking like a Hold up. Alright, that's enough. You get the idea. I'm going to let it warm up while I let the other truck warm up, and then I'm going to get to work. Have a good day, everyone. Hope everyone had a Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. Even though I'm not really big on holidays, I think it's a bunch of bullshit. But that's about it for now.